Good day everyone. Today we will discuss about the North American blackout in 2003. But before we proceed, let me introduce ourselves. I am Ken Johnson B. Rhino.
I'm Emerson B. Lina.
I am Bian Camden R. Pami.
I am Jun Adrian Sa.
I am Mika Rizal Abuso.
So today we will explore the 2003 North American blackout, a pivotal event in power grid history. On August 14, 2003, a software bug in a First Energy's control room in Ohio went undetected, triggering a cascading failure that left 50 million people without electricity across the United States and Canada. This blackout lasted up to 4 days in some areas that exposed the vulnerability of our interconnected power grids. Let's break down the events leading up to the blackout. A faulty alarm system failed to notify operators of a critical issue, and subsequent errors in diagnosis and communication exacerbated the problem. The incident highlights the importance of robust monitoring systems and the effectiveness of communication protocols. As we examine this case study, we will uncover the technical, social, and the economic factors that contributed to the massive outage. We also discuss the lessons learned and the measures taken to prevent the similar incidents in the future.
From my perspective, the 2003 blackout was not just a technical glitch. It was a socio-technical failure that our power grid is a complex system involving technology, human operators, and regulatory frameworks. This incident highlights the importance of coordination between these elements. For instance, the lack of situational awareness among grid operators and inadequate communication between utilities that contributed to the blackout. This event reminds us that even small oversights can escalate into widespread disasters. To prevent such failures, we need to address both technical and human factors that includes implementing advanced monitoring systems that enhancing operator training and fostering a culture of collaboration and information sharing among grid operators and utilities.
So, our society heavily relies on electricity making us vulnerable to power outages. The 2003 blackout showed how quickly transportation, healthcare, businesses, and communication systems can grind to a halt without electricity. The dependence underscored the need for robust risk management strategies. We must prepare backup systems, enhance monitoring, and improve communication channels to mitigate the impact of future outages. Furthermore, we need to invest in smart grid technologies and that can detect potential issues before they escape in the major problems by learning from events with more reliable power systems that minimize disruption of our daily lives.
As engineers, we have a critical role in ensuring the safety, reliability, and stability of our system. The 2003 blackout highlights the importance of critical decision-making in our work. We must anticipate risk, act with integrity, and respond swiftly during emergencies. Technical expertise is crucial, but it's equally important to consider the ethical implications of our designs and decisions. For example, engineers will prioritize transparency and accountability in their work, ensuring that potential issues are addressed promptly and effectively. By prioritizing safety and reliability, we can prevent large-scale failures and protect communities.
So in conclusion, the 2003 North American blackout was a wake-up call, revealing the far-reaching consequences of a large-scale power outages. As future electrical engineers, we must learn from this event and take on the responsibility of creating robust, reliable power systems. Our role is not just to design efficient systems, but also to protect communities by being responsible, ethical, and prepared. We need to invest in advanced technologies, enhance operator training, and foster a culture of collaboration and information sharing. By understanding technical, social, and economic factors that contribute to such failures, we can build a more resilient power grids that support the needs of our society. Let's carry forward the lessons from this case study and strive to create a more reliable and sustainable energy future.
So that's all Sa unit.
Sakura,